Hey y'all, selling your home can feel like a big to-do list. One thing that's easy to overlook is making those essential repairs before you list. Now I'm not talking about a full-blown renovation, but taking care of those little things that have been on your mind can make a world of difference. Think of it as a way of showing your house some love before it's time to say goodbye, and trust me, potential buyers will notice. We're going to walk through the key areas you'll want to address, from the foundation to the finishing touches. Remember, a well-maintained home not only attracts buyers, but also helps you get top dollar. So let's roll up our sleeves and get started. Let's start at the very top, shall we? The roof is the first line of defense against the elements. Your roof is like a big protective hug for your home, keeping everything safe and sound. It shields you from rain, snow, wind, and even the scorching sun. So before you even think about putting that for sale sign up, let's make sure it's in tip-top shape. A well-maintained roof can make all the difference in the world. Now I know what you might be thinking. Joanna, roof repairs sound expensive. But think of it as an investment in your home's future. And while yes, they can be an investment, catching small problems early can save you a whole heap of trouble and money down the road. It's like nipping a problem in the bud before it blossoms into a full-blown disaster. Imagine this. A potential buyer falls head over heels for your charming porch and updated kitchen. But then, during the inspection, bam! They discover a hidden leak in the roof. That could be a deal breaker. Suddenly, those dreams of a smooth closing start to feel about as steady as a wobbly ladder. The last thing you want is for a buyer to walk away because of a leaky roof. Not the kind of drama we want, right? We want a seamless, stress-free selling process. So what should you be looking for? Let's break it down. Well, first things first, grab a pair of binoculars, or ask a tall friend, and give your roof a good long look. It's a simple step that can reveal a lot. Are any shingles missing or looking worse for wear? Shingles are like the armor of your roof, and any damage to them can compromise the entire structure. Are there any areas where the flashing, that's the metal stuff around vents and chimneys, is damaged or pulling away? Flashing is crucial for preventing water from seeping into your home. These are all signs that it's time to call in a professional roofer. Don't try to tackle these issues on your own. Now I know a leaky roof can be a real downer, but try to see it as an opportunity. It's a chance to improve your home. Think of it like this. You're not just fixing a problem, you're adding value to your home. A well-maintained roof can significantly boost your home's market appeal. A brand new roof, or even just some well-executed repairs, can be a huge selling point, giving potential buyers peace of mind and making your home stand out from the crowd. It's an investment that pays off. It's all about putting your best roof forward, right? A solid, well-maintained roof is a testament to the care and attention you've given to your home. Let's face it, folks, plumbing issues are nobody's idea of a good time. They can be a real headache, causing stress and frustration for homeowners. They can be messy, inconvenient, and let's be honest, a little bit scary. The thought of water damage or a major repair bill is enough to make anyone anxious. But when it comes to selling your home, ignoring a leaky faucet or a running toilet is like trying to hide a floppy-eared puppy in a snowstorm. It's just not going to work. These issues are glaringly obvious to potential buyers. Think about it from a buyer's perspective. They walk into your beautiful bathroom, and the first thing they hear is the incessant drip, drip, drip of a leaky faucet. It's an immediate turnoff. Not exactly the spa-like experience they were hoping for, right? Buyers want to feel relaxed and at ease, not worried about potential plumbing issues. Or imagine this. They turn on the shower, and suddenly the water pressure drops to a trickle. It's disappointing and frustrating. Not exactly the kind of first impression you want to make. First impressions are crucial, and plumbing problems can leave a lasting negative impact. Addressing plumbing problems before you list your home is crucial for a few reasons. It shows that you care about the condition of your home and are proactive in maintaining it. First and foremost, it prevents those dreaded water damage surprises. Water damage can be costly and time-consuming to repair. A small leak might seem like no big deal, but over time it can lead to mold, mildew, and even structural damage. These issues can significantly decrease your home's value. And trust me, those are not the kind of renovations you want to be dealing with when you're trying to sell. They can delay the sale and reduce your profit. Secondly, fixing plumbing issues shows potential buyers that you've taken care of your home. It demonstrates that the home has been well maintained. It gives them confidence that they're not inheriting a money pit and that they can move in without having to worry about calling a plumber every 5 minutes. This peace of mind is invaluable. And in the world of real estate, confidence equals dollar signs. A well-maintained home can command a higher price and sell faster. So what kind of plumbing problems should you be on the lookout for? It's important to be thorough in your inspection. Well, start with the obvious: leaky faucets, running toilets, and low water pressure. These are common issues that can be easily fixed. These are all relatively easy fixes that can make a big difference. But don't stop there. Look for any other potential issues that could arise. Check under sinks for any signs of leaks or water damage. Even small leaks can cause significant problems over time. And give your drains a test run to make sure they're flowing freely. Blocked drains can be a major inconvenience for new homeowners. If you notice anything out of the ordinary, it's always best to call in a licensed plumber to take a look. Professional inspections can catch issues that you might miss. Remember y'all, a little bit of plumbing prevention goes a long way. Regular maintenance can prevent major issues down the line. By addressing these issues head-on, you'll be setting yourself up for a smoother, more successful home sale. Buyers will appreciate the effort you've put into maintaining the home. And who knows, you might even learn a thing or two about plumbing along the way. Taking the time to understand your home's plumbing can be incredibly rewarding and useful in the long run. Alright folks, let's talk about something that can be a little shocking, literally, electrical issues. Now, I'm not talking about the occasional flickering light bulb here. I'm talking about outdated wiring, overloaded circuits, and those mysterious outlets that just don't seem to work. These are not just minor inconveniences, they can be serious deal breakers. These are the kinds of electrical gremlins that can send shivers down a potential buyer's spine, and not in a good way. Think about it, you've just spent hours staging your home to perfection. The furniture is arranged just so, the candles are lit, and the aroma of freshly baked cookies wafts through the air. Everything seems perfect. But then, as a potential buyer walks through, they notice that the living room only has one working outlet. Suddenly all those carefully curated vibes go out the window faster than you can say blown fuse. It's a real mood killer. Electrical problems are a major red flag for buyers for several reasons. First and foremost, they're a safety hazard. Outdated wiring can overheat, increasing the risk of electrical fires. This is not something to take lightly. Overloaded circuits can trip breakers, leaving you in the dark. Imagine the inconvenience during a family gathering or a movie night, and faulty outlets can deliver a nasty shock to anyone who dares to plug something in. It's not just inconvenient, it's dangerous. Not exactly the kind of welcome mat you want to put out for potential buyers. Secondly, electrical issues can be a sign of bigger problems lurking beneath the surface. If a home hasn't had its electrical system updated in decades, it could indicate that other essential systems like plumbing or HVAC have also been neglected. This can be a huge red flag, and that's a recipe for a costly renovation nightmare that no buyer wants to inherit. The last thing anyone wants is to move into a home and immediately face a series of expensive repairs. So, what can you do to make sure your electrical system is up to snuff? Start by taking a good look around. A thorough inspection can reveal a lot. Are your outlets and switches discolored or cracked? These are signs of wear and tear that shouldn't be ignored. Do you have enough outlets to meet your needs, or are you constantly relying on extension cords and power strips? This can be a sign that your home's electrical system is outdated. Have you experienced any flickering lights, tripped breakers, or other electrical gremlins lately? These are all indicators that something might be wrong. If you answered yes to any of these questions, it's time to call in a licensed electrician to assess the situation. A professional can provide a detailed evaluation and recommend necessary updates to ensure safety and efficiency. Now let's talk about the fun part. Cosmetic touch-ups are like the jewelry of home staging. They're those little details that add sparkle and shine, making your home feel fresh, inviting, and oh so desirable. Think of it like this. You wouldn't show up to a first date in your sweatpants, right? You'd put on your favorite outfit, style your hair, and maybe even add a touch of lipstick. Well, cosmetic touch-ups are like the lipstick of home selling. They help your home put its best face forward, making it irresistible to potential buyers. The best part about cosmetic touch-ups is that they don't have to break the bank. A fresh coat of paint, for example, can work wonders in transforming a tired-looking room into a bright and airy space. And it's a relatively inexpensive DIY project that you can tackle over a weekend. Just be sure to choose neutral colors that will appeal to a wide range of tastes. Another easy fix is to replace outdated or worn-out fixtures. Think cabinet hardware, doorknobs, light fixtures, and faucets. These small details might seem insignificant, but they can make a big difference in the overall look and feel of your home. And with so many stylish and affordable options available these days, there's no excuse for sticking with those rusty old doorknobs. Don't forget about the power of decluttering and depersonalizing. When potential buyers walk through your home, you want them to be able to envision themselves living there. That means clearing out clutter, packing away personal items, and creating a clean and inviting space that feels like a blank canvas. Think of it as an opportunity to do a little pre-move purging. Well, friends, we've covered a lot of ground today, from the roof to the basement and everything in between. And while tackling these essential repairs might seem a tad daunting at first, remember this: you don't have to do it all at once. Start with the most pressing issues and work your way down the list. And don't be afraid to call in the professionals when needed. After all, a well-maintained home is a happy home, and a happy home is a joy to sell. As you put the finishing touches on your pre-listing to-do list, remember this: you've poured your heart and soul into making your house a home. Now it's time to let that love shine through to potential buyers. By addressing these essential repairs, you're not just increasing your chances of a quick and profitable sale, you're also giving your home the send-off it deserves. So go forth, my friends, and conquer that to-do list. I'm rooting for you.